Well, good morning, YouTube. This is William from Williams, Philippines. Oy, yeah, not sure what today. 35 viewers, so we gained, I think, 3. Today is March 27th, 2024. And, gonna go get impressions for my partial dentures today, and that'll be fun. I'm definitely wanting to get some teeth. Yeah, jack-o'-lanterns they all be terrified when I smile. But that's okay. I like jack-o'-lanterns. Halloween's a good time of year. I actually had a girlfriend one time that was she was born on Halloween, back when I was living in Dallas. Long, tall, skinny thing. Many years ago. Glad I'm not there anymore and not that person. It's amazing what happens when you start growing up and becoming better. I'm thankful to have become a better person. It is what it is. Anyway, I really don't know what to talk about today. This is my Friday, which is, Tuesday night, Wednesday morning is my Friday. It's leads to my weekend. Time. One of those wonderful, fun things. It is nothing but a concept, an idea. Yeah. They can't even figure out how long a day is. Yeah. See, time is a group concept of which I was not a member of the group that conceived it. So why am I bound by your or somebody else's ideas of what time is and how long is? Yeah. When they can't even figure out how long the day is, they keep changing it, saying it's this, saying it's that. They add years, or not years, but days every 4th year, and then every 100 years they lose a day, unless it's the divisible year by 400, and then they keep it. Yeah. So we can adjust the calendar to what actually they think a day is. I don't know. But yeah, it is what it is. Time. I wasn't invited to be a member of the group that conceived it, so yes, why am I bound by it? And that is why today is my Friday. We all get to choose what we do with our days, our time. And yeah, this is my weekend. I get out of here this morning. Hopefully my relief will be here kind of on time. They kind of didn't make it in on Monday. Had to wake the boss up to come here Monday morning. Because they didn't show up, and then they showed up yesterday, and then hopefully they'll be here today, because I've got a dental appointment. I really do want to get my teeth. That'd be nice. But yeah, my weekend is here, and I want to try and get some more stuff done around the house. Somebody said I need to do more videos during the day. Let people see stuff besides a wall behind me and my wall at the house. Yeah. So I gotta try to figure some stuff out. I think I'll try to edit that video from the Austin Drive. I've got it on my computer. I kind of got it sorted out in a sort of a timeline. But, yeah. Been working on it. always have things that seem to crop up and get in the way of getting things done. But slowly and steadily, I slowly put it together and get around to it. But I'm not really in a big hurry about much of anything other than trying to get rid of stuff so I can get the house painted, get the house, emptied out. Gonna have to have those garage sales so I can take and put down some flooring. I didn't realize how much junk I really had. Oh, I am so wanting to get so minimalist. I was looking at, stuff I was packing up, saying, I'm going to carry it to the Philippines with me. And the more I pay attention to a few folks over there in the Philippines saying, how much they brought with them and, how little they brought with them. Yeah. Why do I need all this? I don't know. It's kind of like I was out getting a couple things this morning. Picked up some beef jerky. I'm out. I love beef jerky. I'm the world's worst about beef jerky. I can eat an 8-ounce package of beef jerky in one sitting and not think twice about it, except for the fact that I end up clogged up for a day. Self-inflicted injuries. Yeah. But I was looking at that and I went by and there was beach towels. And part of me was like, ooh, wow, I'm going to need one of those. So I stopped and looked at beach towels. Yeah. Do I really want to pick up a beach towel? Yes, I could possibly, I will be needing it over in the Philippines. But do I really want to have to carry it there? And can I get one cheaper in the Philippines? What does a beach towel cost in the Philippines? I don't know. Probably cheaper than what I can get it here. So I want to spend more money here to get something that I'm going to have to tote plumb across the country. And the more I think about it, I'm a ham radio operator. Part of me wants to take and bring my radio with me so that I can set it up and have a place to, transmit a signal from. I don't know. The more I think about it, the more I'm like, why? And do I really want to bring both of them or just one? And if I bring just one, do I want it to be a little small one or the big one? 2 meter or a full monster HF rig that covers, 180 to 10 meters. I don't know. All these thought processes. I don't know. And I've got all this thinking to go through. And I still need to take and make up my mind before I leave so that I can decide whether to sell it, pack it, or what. I don't know. I'm going to talk to some folks probably next Saturday, club meeting for the Ham Radio Operators Club here in Amarillo, High Plains, Panhandle High Plains Radio, group, W5WX. Anyway, that is a whole nother bit of thinking I need to do, and I'll end up giving them some stuff here because I don't want to bring all that with me. There's a whole bunch of stuff I need to get rid of, and that's where I'll get rid of most of it because, well, that's where most people there are ones that would actually be able to use it. I don't know. I've got components to make a whole bunch of little radios and such. A soldering iron. Do I bring a soldering iron with me? and the components to make radios? Or do I just leave it all here with somebody here that can, just bring money, and, well, if I ever get back into doing that again, then I can anchor down and get back into it? Or do I leave it and pack it into a ballot buying box and have my aunt ship it to me? When I finally do figure out where I want to sit still, I just don't know. It's kind of like with being in front of this camera. Part of me doesn't like being in front of this camera. Yet here I am in front of this camera because, well, I chose to get out of my comfort zone and try to be in front of the camera, a little bit out of my normal self. Part of growing, I guess. And that's what I'm trying to do, is grow and become a better me. Doesn't mean I always like it. But, yeah. Do I want to continue, being in front of the camera all the time? Or do I want to try to just make it more of a talking head, no-show face? I don't know. I'm okay with showing my face, I guess. Been doing it now for, I started this thing at the end of June. Or July, was it? I think it was July. I just don't do a lot of them. And then I started this with this little Chromebook, putting this daily vlog out, and I'm up in front of it now, and I think I've been doing this for most of 30 days. And yeah, I'm trying to keep this going, and I want to push myself out of a comfort zone. Yeah. It's definitely a learning experience. And trying to be up in front of this, part of me is like, but it disturbs my peace and quiet. Why do I want to do that? Growth area, I guess. Part of me still wants to run away and hide. Don't do it. It is what it is. Anyway, I'm William from Williams, Philippines. And y'all have a good day. Later, blessings. Bye-bye. I'm Fish, and Fish out.